This is what the arms look like now, up and close. I told you guys it was like black and gray. It's very sick. Putting everything back together. Suspension going back on. Dude, even the springs got powder coated. That's nice.
Springs, this mounts up here now.
Yeah.
Powder coat the mount. I'm gonna go over today, probably get the arms in and get some of this wiring situated, but I'm not gonna tighten anything until the motor's in here and everything's done.
Then tighten up everything.
Yeah, then tighten it for the last time. Yeah.
The fuel tank was the first one to get that special powder coating.
Yeah, and then we did some other things up in here. This was already powder coated too with the fuel tank. I think that was it, but we redid this bar. All the stuff in the front is we painted white with anti-rust kind of body paint. Same thing that we painted the rest of the truck with, just with a spray can instead of a roller.
Whoa, this looks way better. Chad was shining that up early, boy. You need some help. You need some real muscle mayo.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some.
Yep. You gonna drop all the Omar right now?
I can, but I'm actually missing bolts in the bolt stores closed. Those are two specific size bolts on the toe arm, here and here, and I can't find them anywhere. We don't have them because they're, I think, American size.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to wait till
Monday.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Looking good already. You guys, you already know. Look at this matching. Springs got powder coated. Matching. Everything's matching.
Probably gonna have to leave that one here until I'm gonna just let this one hang till next week and I get the right bolts. I'll put it back. That's gonna have to hang.
Even the rollers, baby.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no.
About that time, getting everything put back together here to drop the motor in.
Including free eggs. Wow.
The new Revamp on the way.
Food explosion.
Rolling.
Getting it set up, getting ready to put it back in the case up acting for the Revamp. You guys already follow us. Know that we completely bed liner the whole top and bottom black rhino biz. A lot of powder coating. You can tell the tranny powder. Even the friggin' fork.
That was my idea. I want to take full responsibility for that because I put the fork in there without telling anybody.
Oh yeah. I'm like, oh.
I was just like, eh. I was like, we might as well. You get to, you see like a little bit of it, right?
Yeah, just those
Just
two little clamps. This is gonna be rubbed off in the tips right there.
Yeah, that's
right
okay.
there.
Yeah, right there.
So stay tuned, guys. Case swap is going back together.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's not me. I'm just said that the motor is in.
Oh shit!
Dude, I'm just so excited.
I'm just so excited.
Beautiful day. Everything irie. Let me just hold on. Let me just. I can't multitask, and as you can tell. But all I did, everyone saw, you guys saw the motor, everything on the ground. The only thing I've done so far is just let it slide in just like it did in the past. Put the mounts in that we powder coated. And then I'm gonna lift it up. You guys can just check out the starting process. We'll check the lifts really fast.
Back of this truck is gonna fall off.
No. Everything good.
You need to put some bars from the back to the front there, so we're doing.
Oh, like,
Dude. Yeah.
Dude, Sone.
Someone said it originally, but dude don't want it.
Oh, he doesn't want it?
No.
Dude, if we welded bars in up into this or something.
Or even something that comes like this and goes over like
or
this.
even if they're connected to this. page.
Go.
Alright, ready?
There we go, guys. Installation process all over again.
So it's in top tube motors, mounts. The engine's pretty solid, stays away. This is where the last one connects right here, so that would be the torque mount. So I'm gonna make sure the motor's all fully secured, and after that we will start with all the plumbing for all the vacuum and the coolant and the fuel and the wires. And it's pretty simple since everything was already done, so it's really just kind of putting it all back onto the truck and back onto the motor.
Nice. Everything is powder coated, guys. Everything underneath black. So much matching. A lot of matching. The arms, everything. Same. Pipes. Q-cell, everything.
Oh, we didn't even finish yet.
Oh,
We're gonna do the oil pan.
pan.
I'll show them later.
Yeah.
I'll show them later.
Oil
I'm gonna
pans.
do that next time.
All pans right over here, guys.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm not gonna put
Okay.
This is soft on aluminum, and I know someone's gonna be like, "You're not supposed to do that." This is soft. Don't worry. Okay.
So it's soft. He's just taking off the old Honda bond. I'm gonna put the new powder coated oil pan. Old one's off. New one. Sit away. Back in.
Line up these holes. Move this around. I don't even know where I'm at right now. Where am I at? Where am I at? There we go.
Right there, put that hole in there. Let me just do this for you, dude. Let's let it go.
I'm like,
Let's let it go. You got it.
oh, it's gotta come this way.
Well, you move it. I just hold it.
All right, there you go. All right, we're good now. We're good. We're good.
So, motor is in now, guys. Stay tuned for next video. We're gonna put everything back on and then grab it again.
So, guys, this is that. What do we call this thing? Like kind of like a mount to hold everything in place.
The underbarrage.
Yeah, underbarge, barrage. It is cracking this little bit of. Yeah, this is powder coat also. It is cracking this little bit of paint around here, but it's okay. I'm gonna touch it up, but we gotta just squeeze it by because the paint's pretty thick now.
What's up, guys? Guess what? All completed. All completed. I mean, if you guys want to see the motor actually dropped in, all the stuff go on, it's the same as the process that we did last time. We just took it out to do some adjustments and revamp because the owner messed up on this side, so it's all good to go now. Everything's powder coated.
Hey. And we're yeah, if you want to see any of the videos from before, like what we did, you can look past in the past videos, but we're just going over it. Oh yeah, I personally, I think it's just a preference thing, but I like it the way it looks like this, and it's a little darker to keep everything like kind of molded together instead of stuff standing out. Kind of hides a little bit better. But yeah, it's all ready. We're about to do like our kind of like last run, test run ish before he takes it. Obviously the car is going to come back and we're going to do you know, do other little things, his fender flares and some other little things we're going to take care of, and possibly even switch intake manifolds or anything kind of weird like that. But right now I think it's good to go, drive around, go to some car shows and stuff like that. So I'm gonna drive it for this last time, make sure everything's good, and send it off.
All right, guys, That's it. Revamp is done. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe. And here goes the owner. He's one of, he kind of had too much fun last time, so he's taking it today. And you like it? Everything looks good?
Yeah, but I'm scared to drive now, bro. Look at that.
So guys, all done, all done, all done. So guys, like, subscribe our videos. Another revamp done.
We're not in this paint.
It looks good. He's scared to drive it, he says. But we love this car. See you guys soon.
Cars killing speeds that just sound like artillery. It's all really deep, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, always gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us. So K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24, reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and talent.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill.